Aloha. This video will give a brief high-level overview of the UH HPC policies. This overview is not meant to be comprehensive, so if you would like to read all of the UH HPC policies, please check the link in the description below. First, let us start with the broader UH general policies that apply most to the UH HPC. Access only for authorized people. Mana cluster should not be used in the act of committing a crime. Always protect your password. Computer resources should not be used to test or compromise systems without prior authorization. University resources are intended to be used for institutional purposes and may not be used for private gain. Now, for more specific UH HPC policies, only certain actions are permitted on the login and DTN nodes. These include file and directory management, SSH shell access, text editing, and transferring files to and from the cluster. In addition, submitting SBatch and interactive jobs is only allowed on the login nodes. All other actions shall take place on a compute node using an interactive session. If any actions outside of the sanctioned activities are detected, the following escalation will take place. The process will be killed without notice. If the user continues this action, we will notify the user of violating the policy. And if the user continues to ignore our warnings, the user may be banned from the cluster for a duration of time. Here are the UH HPC policies regarding storage. UH is not responsible for any data that is deleted or lost due to user error, hardware failure, or administrator error. Users are responsible for their own data and are highly encouraged to back up data that is important to them at other storage locations. Files located on the Scratch file system are subject to a 10-day purge policy that is based on the file directory modified timestamp. Files that are purged cannot be recovered. Users are encouraged to copy the results off the Scratch file system as soon as possible upon completion of their job. Attempting to circumvent this purge policy by artificially changing the file modify time is against UH policy and will result in a warning followed by a ban if the warning is ignored. Home storage currently snapshots once a day in case of accidental file deletion. Lastly, these are the user account lifecycle policies. If accounts are idle for 120 days, they are automatically locked. Locked accounts can be unlocked upon request. If accounts are idle for 180 days, they are subject to deletion, and if an account is deleted, the corresponding home directory will also be deleted. The account would have to be recreated, and the user may be requested to take a quiz or onboarding to reaffirm their knowledge of the use of the Mana cluster. Users that are no longer affiliated with UH will have their accounts locked out, and 60 days later, their account will be deleted. If a user wants to continue to use their UH HPC account, they need to request affiliate status. Please see the link below for more information about how to become an affiliate. That's it for our series of tutorials on the UH HPC. Thank you and mahalo.